Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial from ITAMI, and this is tutorial number 32, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about cell styles. So let's get started. So cell style is basically a collection of font related settings that could be applied to a bunch of cells. So let's see how it works. So if I want to apply a style, I just need to go to Home tab. Over there you're going to see we have styles group, and then we have cell styles. Now when I click on cell styles, it's going to give you something called as gallery, and gallery consists of that visual representations of those styles. So first of all, you just need to select the cells where you want to apply the settings. So I just want to put over the headings over here, and then I click on cell styles, and as I move my mouse over different styles, it's going to show the preview how it's going to look like. So I say I want to put this heading over here on the left hand side, and that setting got applied. Same way if I want to apply some setting over here, let's say currency formatting, so I can click here. We have different number formatting. You want to have comma separation. I want to apply currency formatting. I click on OK, and that the setting got applied. I can also apply over here. I have heading. I click on over here. I want to apply title setting. So this is how we can apply styles. Now the benefit of this is that in future if you want to make change, you can simply make changes to the style, and wherever you have applied that style, you're going to see those changes. So to which cell you have applied which style, when you select that cell, when you go to cell styles, it's going to highlight that area. For instance, in this particular cell I have applied currency. You are seeing a gray border over here. When I click the cursor over here, go to styles, and it's showing you over here that we have applied heading. So if you want to make changes to heading, for instance you want to have some background color, you can simply right click and you say I want to modify, and you can see over here a style is just a collection of number formatting, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. So I want to apply some settings related to filling. I just click on format. You get the same old format cells dialog box. I want to go to fill, and I say I want to have, let's say, gray color, and click on OK. And when I click on OK, you're gonna see that wherever I applied that style, this changes would be applied. So I click on OK, and you see that change got applied. So this is the benefit of applying a style, that you have a style containing the settings, and those styles are getting applied to the cell. So in case if you want to make changes, you make changes to the style, and all the cells, they accept that change. So this is pretty good. Now the drawback of this is that, now one thing you need to be careful, that once you have applied some style, don't make any changes to that style. So what I mean to say is that once you have applied the style, don't apply any kind of formatting. So for instance, in heading we were getting what font is to be applied and what is the size. If I make some changes, let's say I made it bigger, right? And now if I go back and say I want to change the font color, cell styles, and this is the style that I was applied, I can right click and I say modify style, and you can see the font settings were coming from that, and I have modified and increased to 18, increased to 22. By default it was 18. When I click on format, and now if I click on font and I say I want to have some bright color, let's say it's a blue color, and now when I click on OK, you see the changes are not getting applied. So this is the key thing that you have to take from here, that if you use a style, just use a style, don't apply direct changes to that particular cell. So that's all about style, and now we see that how can we create our own style. So when I click on styles gallery, at the bottom you're gonna see we have option to create new style, and you can create a style out of existing styles also. So I can just simply right click any style, and I can say I want to duplicate. So I want to create a new style, and let's give it name my style, and what all settings you want to apply. So it's not compulsory that whatever style you are creating, it contains all different settings. So I say that I want to have just the fill related settings. I click on format, and then I go to fill, and from here I say I want to have red color in the background. I click on OK, I click on OK, and now if I apply that setting over here to this cell style, so you're gonna see over here it says my style, and this is say my style, So this way we have created our own styles. And now in case if you want to have the style available in different workbooks, there is also option available for that. So if I just save this and I create new workbook, and you see over here that new workbook, when I go to styles, you're not seeing that my style. Why? Because the styles whatever you create or modify, they are for the same workbook. They are not going to be carried over to other workbooks. So in case if you want to get some styles from some other workbook, you just need to say over here merge styles, and you need to make sure that whatever workbook you are taking the style from, that is open. So you can see that I have that sales open, that's why it's showing you over here. So I select that and I click on OK, and now it's going to merge the styles from that cell. So click on yes, and now you see that when I go over here, I'm getting that mild style. And I had made changes to the background of heading. You can see the different background color also appearing. So this is how we can manage styles. Hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.